Cameron Norrie is a British professional tennis player. He was born on August 23, 1995 in Johannesburg, South Africa. He was born to a Scottish father from Glasgow and a Welsh mother who were both microbiologists. After a burglary incident in 1998, when Norrie was 3, he and his family moved to Auckland, New Zealand, where his parents still live. In 2011, at age 16, he moved to London where he lived for 3 years before attending Texas Christian University in Fort Worth from 2014 to 2017. In June 2017, he ended his studies at TCU to turn professional during the grass court season of the 2017 ATP Tour. Cameron Norrie is a supporter of South Sydney Rabbitohs, the All Blacks Rugby Union and Newcastle United. Norrie has been the current British number 1 in men's singles since 18 October 2021. At the Paris Masters 2021, Norrie defeated Federico Delbonis for his 100th career win. He next defeated Riley Opelka before falling to Taylor Fritz in the third round. Norrie's performance during the season earned him the second alternate spot at the ATP Finals. In October 2021, Norrie reached his first Masters 1000 final at Indian Wells. Seeded 21st, he beat Tennis Sandgren, Roberto Bautista Agut and Tommy Paul. He then decisively defeated Diego Schwartzman to advance to the semi-finals and surpass Dan Evans as the British number 1 in men's singles. He beat Gregor Dimitrov in straight sets to advance to the final, where he came from a set and a breakdown to beat Nicolas Basilashvili and to win the title. In 2021, Norrie won his first ATP title at the Los Cabos Open, beating Brandon Nakashima in the final. At the 2021 City Open, he also entered the singles and doubles tournaments with Luke Saville, where he reached the round of 16 and the quarter-finals respectively. In the opening round of the 2020 US Open, Norrie upset the 5th seed Diego Schwartzman in a 5-set marathon. He then defeated Federico Coria before falling in the third round to Alessandro Davidovic Fokina, making his best career result at a major. He matched this performance by reaching the same round at the 2021 Australian Open, where he was defeated by the world number 2 Rafael Nadal. In May 2021, he achieved his biggest career win by beating world number 4 Dominic Thiem at the Lyon Open. He continued by reaching the final after defeating 8th seed Karen Khachanov, where he was beaten by 2nd seed Stefanos Tsitsipas. Norrie reached the third round of a major once again at the French Open, where he lost to Rafael Nadal in straight sets. At the Queen's Club Championships, he defeated world number 24 Aslan Karatsev and Denis Shapovalov to reach the final, where he fell to Matteo Berrettini. In 2019, he reached the third round of an ATP Masters 1000 event for the first time in his career at the 2019 Monte Carlo Masters Singles. Norrie made his ATP main draw debut at the Asian Championships after receiving a wild card into the singles main draw, where he was defeated by Sam Querrey in the first round. Norrie earned his first ATP main draw victory by beating Horacio Zeballos at Eastbourne, which was his first win over a top 50 player. At the 2018 French Open, Norrie was a direct entrant into a Grand Slam for the first time.